Hi guys, I hope you're doing well in these tough times. I just want to give a quick update about the future of this channel since it's going to be going through some pretty significant changes soon. There are three main things I will be changing. Firstly, the name of the channel will change to Practical Programming. I've been wanting to change this for some time now, and since I hit the 100 subscriber mark where I can have a custom channel URL, I have been brainstorming different ideas since youtube.com/skstudios is already taken. There are also a ton of other channels with the name SK Studios, which isn't great for marketing, since I know some people are having trouble finding my channel. Secondly, the content I produce will be changing slightly. This will still be a computer science focused channel, and I will still continue with the Unity tutorials, but I also want to expand and teach other programming languages. I will start with Python, firstly publishing a full beginner course, then moving on to more advanced projects such as creating ethical hacking tools, automatic folder organizers, and more. If there are any other languages that you would like to see taught here, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll see what I can do. Finally, my publishing schedule will be changing, and you might have noticed that I actually changed it a short while ago. I will be trying to publish videos weekly on Tuesday from now on, but as I am entering my senior years at school, I might have to skip some videos here and there, especially when exams come around. Of course, I will still be providing the highest quality content that I can, explaining everything I do and how everything works. That's it for the update. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below, and I do read every comment on my videos. I hope you will still be interested in the new content I produce. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you next week.